and time. Entering new era of specialty coffee, we've seen so many innovation come from this industry, especially from post-harvest process. Experimental process is one of example of innovation in this industry. However, in the last few years, this process become one of the most favorite process because it brings a different flavor, also give you a new stereotype about the post-harvest process that using experimental process produce more good quality coffee taste than using a classic process. And some people argue, a classic process just give you mediocre taste like a medium to low acidity and medium to high bitterness. But for me, a classic process can produce more flavor, also elegant taste if we treat them properly. So judges, as your barista today, I will serve you the best natural classic process that will remind us when we first try natural classic process before this era exists. And now, before we start, please drink the water in front of you for refreshing your palate, and I'll be back for your first beverage. Thank you. And judges, for your first beverage, it will be espresso. And the coffee that I use today is coming from Puntang, West Java, grown in elevation of 1500 meters above sea level. This coffee is a bourbon varietals and processed with natural classic process. And Kang Irwan, as a processor, process with this coffee with attention to detail by start picking up the cherry with the same ripe uniformity. And after that, the cherries are drying in a greenhouse with African bed for 40 days. In this drying stage, the coffee are maintain a complex and fruity notes. Kang Irwan also maintain the temperature at 50 degrees during the day and 20 degrees at the night, with a total moisture content of 12%. And Kang Irwan also check the cherries every day, every 2 hours, to protect the cherries from the moth bloom. Okay, for my recipe today, I'm using 20 grams in to get 40 mils out. With 21% of extraction rate to create a complexity and clarity in my espresso today. And judges, for detailed information, you can check the booklet in front of you. Okay, thank you. And judges, for my espresso, please evaluate the crema only and wait for my instruction for testing my espresso. And hi, thank you for waiting. There you go. This is for you. Please evaluate the crema only. Okay. And hi, there you go. Please evaluate the crema only. And judges, for my espresso, you will get a medium sweetness, medium to high acidity, and medium bitterness. With the flavor, orange, cherry, and also brown sugar. With a tactile experience, medium to low body, silky and rounded mouthfeel, with a long sweet aftertaste that will remind you of brown sugar. And for testing my espresso, please stir it 5 times clockwise and enjoy my espresso, and I'll be back for the second beverage. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, judges, seems you're ready for the next beverage. And for the next beverage, you can flip the booklet in front of you. And yes, your next beverage is a milk beverage. And today, I'm using a 2 different roast profile. And my roaster roast this coffee 21 days ago with a slow roast technique with a lower temperature heat. With total development time of 22% for my espresso to create the aromatic and also complexity in my milk beverage. And then 24% for my milk beverage to get a harmonious balance between my milk and the coffee. And judges, today I'm using 20 grams in to get 35 ml out. And for my milk beverage, I also use a commercial fresh milk that I blend with a lactose-free milk with a ratio 1 part of lactose-free milk and 2 part of a commercial fresh milk to create a sweeter, also a creamier in my milk beverage. And judges, for my milk beverage, for testing my milk beverage, please stir it 5 times from top to bottom to get a better mixing in my milk beverage. And for my milk beverage, you will get a creamy texture, milk chocolate, wafer, and also butterscotch. And hi, thank you for waiting. Excuse me. And judges, the coffee that you enjoy today is example of a classic process if we treat them properly by start the processor, roaster, and also me as a barista. We can get a beautiful flavor like this coffee today. There you go, please enjoy. There you go, please enjoy. There you go, please enjoy. And last, Okay, judges, I hope you enjoy my coffee. I'm Andri and time.